Usually, as soon as I go out and buy a brand new car, I usually get some essentials that you need for the car. And so this video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I bought specifically on Amazon that you need for your 11th gen Civic. Let's go. So just like on the sport video, we're starting off with the essential stuff that I bought from Amazon. And of course, I'm going to be linking all the links down below in the description. I'm also going to be leaving timestamps for each and every item. Anyways, the first item that we have is, so this right here is a silicone license plate cover. So you know how you get your car from the dealer, they're always marketing their stuff. So they'll have their name, for example, Washington Honda. Not that I have anything against Washington Honda, I think that's a really good dealer to go to, but I really don't want to advertise anything on the car except for my own social media. So I went ahead and bought this silicone license plate cover. It's easy, all you have to do is just take off your license plate cover, slip this on and put it back. Not only is this good to have aesthetically, but it also kind of protects your paint because this is made of silicone rather than plastic. So as you're driving, this, if it's not screwed on correctly, could either go like this, it could like shake or vibrate. So like over time, when you take your license plate cover off, you can have like an outline of where the license plate was, and that could be like a permanent paint damage to your car. So with the silicone one, it's made of silicone and it's not gonna scratch your car at all. Why?
Nothing.
Why? Why are you laughing? What's so funny?
Nothing. Focus. No, that's not funny at all.
No, that's not funny. What are you laughing at then?
I'm not telling you.
What?
You'll see when you're editing.
This product right here is the air inflator from lasfit. So this is their newer products. It is the fall season, the weather's getting colder, so this is actually perfect because we're always getting hit with that low tire pressure warning in the mornings before we go off to work. So instead of stopping by to get some air at a local gas station or wherever, at least you'll have this in the trunk of your car. So this is what the product looks like. As you can see, red and black is the color theme that we're going with. We have a flashlight on top, USB-C to charge, and then USB-A to charge any of your devices. And then of course, this right here is where that tube goes so that you can pump your wheels. To put this on, it actually just clicks on. So this device has auto stop feature where you set the air pressure and it just stops automatically. It's really convenient, especially if you're multitasking or you don't want to over pump too much air in your wheel. I really love how it has its own flashlight, as well as you can charge your phone by using its USB-A slot. This is how bright the light is, guys. So if you want to see, it reaches all the way up there. It's a pretty bright light. And then you could also make this thing flash. Of course, we have to have some sort of screen protector on our infotainment system because we're always touching it and it's prone to scratches, it's prone to smudges, and every time we wipe our infotainment screen, we're risking scratching the screen. So nobody wants scratches on their screen, so that's why I highly recommend a tempered glass screen protector, just like we have on their phones, because you know how it protects our phones. We should also protect our cars because these cars are not cheap. Honestly, it looks better to me. I don't know about you guys, but I like having a shiny finish. Even though, you know, having a frosted finish will block off the sun more, it just feels and looks cleaner to me. You don't see any of my fingerprints anywhere, so that's good that it has some sort of oleophobic coating. And it feels really nice. It's smooth. It feels like you're playing on a phone, pretty much. Our third item is this wireless charging pad from Karchi Wireless. So if you don't have the Sport Touring like I do, if you have the EXL Sport or the LX, it does not, for some reason, include the wireless charging pad. Now you can go out and buy third-party wireless charging pads, or you can go out and buy the OEM Honda charging pad, but this right here is on Amazon, and I had it on my Type R and it works really good. I love it, especially if I'm going on long road trips and I just want to charge my phone without having to plug it in, because I do have wireless Apple CarPlay. Wireless Apple CarPlay is going to be in a different video, so be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Plus you get this USB right there so that you can plug in another cable to charge another person's phone, like your passenger. So pretty cool. I kind of wish that this was USB-C, but that's completely fine. And as you can see, this supports Qualcomm Fast Charging 3.0. Every time you get in the car and you just want to plop your phone down on the charging pad, this is the perfect product for you. This right here is a luxury car seat cover. So I have 2 dogs and a cat, and I love bringing them out to parks. I love taking them with me everywhere I go. And I need some sort of protection on these leather seats, because these leather seats aren't cheap. Like I said, this car isn't cheap. So you need something to protect your seat, whether if it's cloth or leather. You definitely need to have some sort of seat protector. I also love how it has these on the side as well, so that they don't scratch your door. And it also has a pocket right here, so if you want to carry their leash or their seat belts, that's stored in there. I really like this middle part right here, because you know, it's like this mesh right here so that you can see your pets and stuff, and they can get that fresh air from the vents. Another product that I got is this 2-core 2 socket adapter, because in our Honda Civics, well, the Sport Hatch would have a USB-C and a regular USB, but for every other model, we only have this one USB and one cigarette port. Now, if you want to be plugging in multiple accessories at once, then you're going to be needing some more plugs. This is where this device comes in handy, because not only does it have 2 USB A's that output 2.4 amps, it also has a USB Type-C and 2 more cigarette lighters for you to plug your stuff in. My only complaint is this does stick out a lot compared to your regular one, which is like this, which is only this small. This one is super long. So yeah, plug it in just like that. Then you can just plug in your other accessories. Last but not least, I didn't get to unbox it, but key fob cover. I've already said this on my previous Amazon videos when I got the Sport Hatch and the Type R. Key fob cover is one of the definitely must-haves, because our key fobs, both the 10th and the 11th gen Hondas, have this piano black finish on the key fob, and nobody wants to get that scratched. You want to keep it looking brand new, so definitely invest in a key fob color. It's very cheap. Definitely a must-have. The one that we got, since this car is purple and this car is actually my wife's car, she got like the purple/black combo, so obviously she gets the purple key, I get my own black key. So Honda logo is visible, and I thought this glowed in the dark, but I guess I was wrong. But it would be nice for these to glow in the dark, but yeah. Also, be sure to stick around, because I will be making a review of this car. Since I only got this like a week ago, I haven't really drove it much, so I don't have a full review yet of my thoughts and the stuff that I don't like and the stuff that I like about this car. Those are all coming up in the future, because you know me, I always nitpick over the smallest things. I did it to the Sport Hatch as well as the Type R, and now we're going to be doing it on the 11th gen Honda Civic. So yeah, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Anyways, guys, that about wraps up this video. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and comment down below what you guys think of this video, or if you want to add some more Amazon accessories that you need on the 11th gen hatch. Follow me on Instagram, Chris_time FK8. I also have a TikTok, same thing, Chris_time FK8, as well as a Facebook page, Chris Time FK8, I believe, or it might be just Chris Time. Anyways, thank you all for watching. This is Chris Time, and peace out.